Acknowledged. Our personnel are good. All units, 14 and 15, it's going to be hot.
We're going to be dealing with the live fire incident, so be safe.
Watch your footing, the guy in the back, make sure you hold on to the guy in front of you because you're holding on to the nozzle. So we do this training semi-annually at a minimum. It's very important because we have a flying mission here to include the C-5, F-16s, and any transient aircraft. Main priority is mission safety and making sure the pilots and the air crew are going to be safe. We can pull them out and extinguish any fire if we may have them.
It's great for camaraderie. At the same time, it helps build up their confidence, just help to solidify their craft. This will wrap up 38 years of me being a firefighter. These guys are my brothers. People are dependent on us, but also we're dependent on each other. No one can do it alone.